Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJS Info. This video is about how to populate total value or average based on multiple lookup values in one cell without using Vlookup, index max, if, dget. Vlookup or index match will not work out if two lookup values in one cell, whereas this formula will work even if there is multiple lookup values. Let's see how to proceed. First thing is we want sum. For that, just type sum. Then we want only numbers. So is number. Then search. Bracket open. We want value from product. So give range and freeze it. Comma. Then just give reference here 301 or D2. It can be a single lookup value or multiple lookup values. Based on that, it will give result. Just close with brackets for search. Then multiply symbol. Then give range, stock range. Again, freeze it. Bracket close. Make sure that Control Shift Enter. For getting average, simply type average. Bracket open. For numbers, search. This is for average. Same way we can proceed with tables also. For that, simply create table. Only thing is, when we create table, we need not to freeze the range. That is the main advantage. Simply sum is number, search, comma, we can give range. Bracket close, Control Shift Enter. For average also same process. Only thing is need not to freeze it, that's all. This is the simplest way to get a multiple result based on multiple lookup values in single cell. If you like this video, please comment it, share it. Please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.